Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact USPS customer service, direct link step by step clearly. To contact USPS customer service, begin by visiting the official USPS website. Once on the home page, look for the help section in the top navigation bar. Click on help to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select contact us. You will then be directed to a new page with multiple contact options. For immediate assistance, consider using the Customer Service tab. This provides options for frequently asked questions and live chat support. If you prefer speaking directly with a representative, scroll down to find the phone number. The customer service number is located in the By Phone section. You can call USPS at 1-800-ASK-USPS, which is 1-800-275-8777. Make sure to have your tracking number or relevant information ready for smoother assistance. If you need help outside of normal business hours, check the hours of operation listed on the site. Alternatively, you can reach out via email if your inquiry is not urgent. For this, click on the Email Us option available on the contact page. Fill out the required fields in the email form accurately. Be clear and concise in your description of the issue to receive the best help. After submitting your email, wait for a confirmation of receipt. You can also connect through social media, as USPS has active accounts on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Simply send a direct message or mention them in a tweet for support. Lastly, always check the USPS website for updates or changes to their contact options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.